Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalistablog here. I have a Wet n Wild featured video for you in the spirit of my bargain soul. And I also wanted to mention that this is sponsored, so thank you so much for Wet n Wild supporting me and my channel and reaching out to me and wanting to partnership with me, because that's kind of a dream come true. Yeah, the 8th grade Rebecca is so excited. I mean, that number 666 lip pencil was ride or die, man. Ride or die. And now it's been replaced with a new favorite, which I will share with you. So Wet n Wild sent me some good things that actually, I love it when a company wants to work with me, and then they send me some products and they're like, hey, if you want to use these in the video, and I already have some of them and love them. Like, I just think that's the neatest little bit, okay, of whatever, right? Fate. So this one's called Peach Stole My Look. So I have a liquid catsuit, high shine lipstick, and you guys, also the Photo Focus stick foundation, and I just bought this, which is a 3-in-1 mist, primer, water, prep, set, and refresh. So yes, and you guys, I don't think I have this one, but I have so many of these 10 palette eyeshadows. This is called Stop Playing Safe. These shadows, I think I have been, I have featured before on my channel because they are spectacular. I love the fact that this one, it's called Stop Playing Safe, and it's perfect for fall, but it's neutral, but it's fun. It's got the combination of mattes. It's got good like lid, you know, background shades, blender shades, and then it has some really pretty metallics and soft, here, let me show you. I mean, so nice. And then what a great contrast to the more autumnal, richer shades. Okay, so we'll be playing with that. And yeah, so I've got everything Wet n Wild today. If you want to continue watching, welcome. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that would be fabulous too. And hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and voila. I will list everything in the description box, links and things like that. Yes. I have 2 primers. I'm going to use this jelly, Mega Jelly face primer. It is clear. You cannot see it, but it is very much jello. Just where I want a little more slip and grip, shall we say. I'm going to put the Cucumber 3-in-1 primer water. This has a touch of fragrance, mostly because it's cucumber, and I've noticed that cucumber products smell like cucumber without even trying. So it's not like it's, you know, a heavy artificial perfume or anything like that. I'm gonna really go with this stick foundation. I have reviewed this before and I enjoy, the reason I like this stick foundation is it's fragrance free, it's rated well on Beautypedia, and it is really good for all skins, and they have a really good selection of shades. We're just gonna paint my face. It's seamless basically. There we go. I look like a little kid. Okay. I have Already in my collection, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. They have a illuminating one, like I think it's a highlighter loose powder, and then this is, I think they have a light, like a translucent shade. I picked out Banana. It might have been just what was available. I'm going to do a light dusting of this just to let the other powder products go on easier. I mean, there is no blending. I mean, there's blending, but you know what I mean. Let's get going with the eye look because I just love it so much. I'm gonna swatch some more of these for you. Okay, so there's two transition shades. There's this darker one, which you could use as a liner as well. Right? It's actually not too terribly dark, which is a little bit comforting. So I'm going to use this side, this blue, look at that, green, oh! And then we saw these. So that blue is amazing. Here, let me try that green again. Oh, that's so nice. Bottom shades on this side. And they're, except for the this one, which we saw, these are matte. Guys, another thing, can we talk about Wet n Wild brushes? Because they are so good. And I think I have all of them in my collection, or at least all the standard ones. The limited edition ones, I try to get my hands on. I remember when this one was at Fred Meyer, it's P20. And I should have bought more of them because it's just the perfect blender just eyeshadow. And of course, they are completely cruelty-free. Okay. And I'm using the lighter peach lower on the lid. And I am gonna layer, because I don't want this to be, I know I've done a look like this before. So, not to be redundant, I'm just gonna do this. Don't panic, I will blend. I'm going to use this blue shade here because it is the most contrast, and how fun is that? I'm getting a small brush. And now I'm lining my lower lid. Ooh, that's dark. I have a pro tip. Don't get blue eyeshadow on your sponge when you're cleaning up your under eye area. I'm like going over here with the stick foundation, and this part of me is just like blue. Going over with my contour with this. This is the contouring palette Mega Glow in Dulce de Leche. Gotta make that cheekbone pop. liquid liner. This is called Cosmic Black. This is a MegaLiner. It's kind of a gunmetal. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I don't know if you can see that. That is so pretty. And take a pencil brush. I'm putting the 3-in-1 setting spray or primer spray. I am going in that yellow shade. And I am going in the corner, going right here. Yep. And then I'm gonna go in that peach shade. Not doing anything crazy, just dipping my brush in there to kind of blend into the blue. So that it has like a seam. It almost, well, so it doesn't have a seam. Almost looks green, right? They sent me this adorable blush. It's called Fantastic Plastic Pink. Hello, on Wednesdays we wear pink. I mean, hello. It has a bit of some flex in it. It's not a spray over, and yet it's still the sweetest little blush ever. I love Wet n Wild blushes. Also, I have an highlighter, Mega Glow Precious Petals. This is one of the best, you guys. Love these retractable lip liners. This is shade Never Petal Down. I am telling you, these lip liners, the gel lip liners, are so good. Peach Stole My Look is such a good, look at that. It's so pretty. And then this one is called Cedar Later. You're so funny. Ooh, it's a little darker. And it's very opaque. I'm gonna use this one. Oh yeah. God. Ooh. Ooh. Did that just brighten up my face? Uh-huh. Okay, can we just talk about how the blush and the lip marry? They're so in love, they want to get married. I'm gonna put some mascara on off camera and I will be right back. I feel like I have created a rainbow on my eyelids and I am so excited about it. I love this blush and lip combo. This MegaLiner metallic liquid liner is so easy to apply. It left such a small thin line and I really, really like it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Wet n Wild, for working with me. And I will leave everything listed. Hopefully you found some new favorites, spotted some old favorites, and I've always just been a huge fan of Wet n Wild. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.